Fatima says, after sneezing, should we say Alhamdulillah and a bit loudly in order to enable the person near to us to hear the tahmeed and pray and reply? This is up to you. Two men sneezed in the presence of the Prophet ﷺ. One of them said Alhamdulillah loudly. The other did not say it. So the Prophet replied to the one who said Alhamdulillah loudly by saying, Yarhamukallah, may Allah have mercy on you. So the other man objected. So the Prophet of Allah, you made dua to him, but not to me. And we both sneezed at the same time. The Prophet said, yes. He sneezed and praised Allah. So I said, Yarhamukallah. You sneezed and did not say Alhamdulillah, so I did not say it to you. And we learned from the Sunnah that if this man who did not say Alhamdulillah was wrong or sinful, the Prophet would have corrected him, alayhi salatu wasalam. But he didn't, which means that it's your preference, Fatima. If you want to gain reward, yes, you have to raise your voice. And there is a lot of reward in it when you say Alhamdulillah, someone says Yarhamukumullah, and you say Yahdikumullah wa yuslih balakum. This exchange of dua is highly praised and loved by Allah Azza wa Jal. But if you don't want to, you just simply say within yourself, nobody hears it, this is permissible.